I'm in Homesense and I am so excited because they're fully stocked here with these gorgeous cutting boards and charcuterie boards. And I've been looking for months, so this is a huge thing for me because every time I've come over here, they haven't had anything. So I'm going to take some time to pick out my favorites, and then we're going to walk through the rest of the store and also see if they have any fall decor. So yeah, I'm just excited. I didn't know Ray Dunn carried kitchen gadgets and accessories, so there's like a spiral slicer. Anything else that's here? Look at these nostalgic popcorn makers and candy makers. How cool if you have like a little bar downstairs or a cinema. So I'm over here and they were working for a little bit, so I gave them some time and then I snuck over because you know me, I'm super on top of all the seasons and nosy as to what's out. So this is a fluffy little pillow, or no, pumpkin. They look like pillows. This one's really pretty. More Halloween vibe. Gorgeous. Glass pumpkins, and they have the floral. It looks like some florals coming out. So this is all that they have. I will come back in a couple days just to see if they've put out more because it looks like they just started working on it. And I am going to check out the kitchenware and the linens and see if they have anything there. Oh my gosh, this pumpkin is beautiful. I just love it. It's so Cinderella. So far my favorite is, it's really weird, is this one here, and it lights up. But I did some pumpkin transformations, some older orangey ones, and it turned out similar to that. And they still have a ton of outdoor planters that they just brought out as well. So here are some more of the orange traditional theme. Look at this cute sign. I love it. So cute. Actually quite nice to still see some planters and outdoor garden things because summer's not over yet, right? Oh, I really like this. I like the faux. You know, I'm gonna have to think about that for the fireplace mantle. And they have, I wish that this bowl was larger. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just too small for my table. And these are newer. Anyone staged one of these? They look really nice. Oh, I think I'm gonna grab this one for sure for the kitchen. Okay, the other one is like a grayer. I don't know why. It's just, there's so many nice things. So I definitely have to go through this. This is another little bowl. And then some more glam stuff. And on the back wall here, well, behind me, so another wall. Lots of pottery type things, like very... Oh, this is cute. It's very like old school. I like it. You can put like a bottle of wine or something in it too, right? All right, so there's the golds and stuff. We'll walk around this way, and I also wanted to take a look at the stationery. These caught my attention as well, and you know what? They're really, really well priced. I have purchased, you know, urn type planters in the past, and I paid so much money for them. Oh, I love this. How do you guys weigh these down to keep them from flying away with the wind? Okay, that is really cute. I wish the ball was just a tad bigger. It's right down as well, and it's an agenda planner. Don't mind my cart. It's full of wood. I look like I'm going to build a house. Oh my gosh. This This is really cute. And it's reasonably priced for a planner. It has the line sections and then the calendar. So there's this one. Look at me. I look like I'm going to build a home with all these cutting boards, don't I? And charcuterie boards. I'm a sucker for planners. I don't know if anyone else is, but I love them. I was just about walking away, and then I thought, oh, I'll just flip through the planners there, and they actually have different styles. So I think I like this one best. I like the craft cover, the craft material. I'm not sure. They have a ton of artwork on clearance. Now, I wanted to flip through them, but see, everything is kind of like stuck here, and I don't want to topple anything over. I only have one hand. So this is beautiful. I love this abstract painting. Love it. And they have another one over here, but this one has a wood frame, so it's a little bit different. Just so beautiful. I love it. I know you guys love seeing the mirrors, but they're really hard to film because if people are up and down the aisle, so I'm going to do a really quick one here. It was near impossible to film the mirrors, so I'm just moving over to the furniture. These are really nice accent pieces. I like the pillow even that they've paired with it here. I just have so much fun coming here and seeing all the different pieces. I'm almost tempted to even purchase this blue vase. I love this bench. It's like got that boho feel, very modern boho. And these couches are all beautiful. They really have a great selection right now if you're needing some new furniture. Some really great pieces. This is a cute entrance bench, like with a mirror on top or even at the foot of a bed. And it's really reasonably priced. My daughter was actually asking me if they go back to virtual school. Hopefully that's not the case, so we'll hang tight. But she was asking if she could have like a little bed desk. She usually sits at a desk, but these are cute organizers, aren't they? Has anyone used them? Do they stay stacked? Like, they do look like they stay stacked. Yeah, they're nice. Who saw the Dollar Tree walkthrough that had, you know, the blue and white plates? So adding some pieces like this from your Homegoods or Homesense stores would be so nice. I think I'm gonna grab this big giant white bowl. I'm actually contemplating also one of these water jugs. I just love them. They're made in Portugal, so they're totally a nostalgic thing for me as well. I'm just taking a peek here to see if there's anything else. But yeah, see the prints? Aren't they so similar to the Dollar Tree ones? I don't even think you would really know the difference. Some fall linen, table napkins, really nice packages actually. So there's a variety. So there's standard one color, and then there's the print one. So you're getting a bit of a mix. See? And then there's some that are just the one color as well. I wanted to see if they had, well, these are cute napkins. More of like a farmhouse theme, but I wanted to see if they have tea towels as well, so I'll look for those. So a few options here when it comes to kitchen towels. They have like really nice thick ones, you know, more of your hand towels in a way, and cute prints. And then they also have some thinner ones. So I'll just go through here and share them with you. We have these ones here that have like really nice thin drying towel. Or decorative, of course, but they, yeah, I like the prints. I actually saw a print up top that I think I'm going to purchase, but it isn't fall themed. These ones here are cute. So, and it's a brand name as well. I'm back over at the planters because I wanted to take a quick look in the garden section before summer and things come to an end. This is really nice and heavy and really reasonably priced. I just wish it was a tad bigger. And then they have this one here that's also calling my name. Again, if it was just a little bit bigger. It's so beautiful. I love it. And I just got suckered into more candles. So I love this one. I love that once you use it, you can use it as well for other things. You can just use it as decor. So I think I'm going to grab this one because it's got that vintage pottery feel. I really love it. And oh, this one's nice too. Well, I came out with a huge haul. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. And until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed walking through Homesense with me today. And I'm going to say bye for now.